Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove pattern lock password from phone Moto G04. First of all, I lock my phone and see my pattern. This is my current pattern. I would like to remove this pattern completely, and yes, what you have to do is go to settings of your phone first. Then go to security and privacy and here select device unlock and here click on screen lock and it will ask you to confirm your pattern. So draw your current pattern. Yes, confirmation is done. Now you have to select swipe. Okay, so it will ask delete screen lock and yes, click on delete. So screen lock will be deleted and with the swipe you can unlock your phone. Okay, see here, I lock my phone and with one swipe you can unlock your phone. So in this way you can easily remove pattern lock password in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.